Now that we have a basic understanding of the version feature, let's dive into a more detailed walkthrough of how to use the version tab efficiently in your workflow. Now imagine you've shared your tracks with your bandmates, your producers, your engineers, or whoever else, and now you've got some edits to make. Instead of clicking Upload New File and creating a new row with a link to your file, we're going to utilize the Upload New Versions for Existing Files option underneath the Upload button. So I've got version 2 of my song ready to go. As I upload it, the system recognizes similarities with the previous version. And as you see under file name, it is showing the original track name, which in this case is called Tidal Waves v1.mp3. I am uploading Tidal Waves v2.mp3. So I see that both files have automatically been assigned to the songs that I want to update, so I click Upload. Now, the latest or active version of the song is the one that plays when you click on the song through the playlist link. If you ever want to add descriptions or change active versions of any of your files, all you have to do is click the version tag next to any of the songs that you would like to change. By clicking on it, you can see the different versions of the files you've uploaded, and you can even add descriptions to highlight the changes. For example, for version 2, I decided I changed the bass line and I added a different vocal harmony. And also in this case, I decided that I actually liked version 1 better. So I select that as the active version with the Set as Active button. This means that when you play the playlist link, it'll be version 1 playing instead of version 2, which was originally the one that was active. You are also able to download any of the iterations you would like through this download button next to the active version button. The first way I uploaded a new version was through the upload button and then selecting Upload New Version for Existing Files. But you can also upload directly to a specific track through the Upload New Version button within the file version pop-up. In this case, I've uploaded version 3 of the song Tidal Waves, and I wrote in the producer notes that I kept the new bass line and the original vocal harmony. So in summary, there are multiple ways you can upload new iterations of your file, either through the upload button or the version button. You can log your changes along the way, and it is a great way to keep your files organized and clutter-free while viewing your files.